Hello, how are you doing? Today we're making pumpkin curry. We've got some coconut in there. It's really, really delicate, some lovely spices in it. Bit of a kick. Vegan, vegetarian, delicious, easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 3 cups here of pumpkin. Now what I've done is I've peeled that and I've cut it into that sort of size. Do it bigger or smaller if you want. 1 cup of onion, 200 ml of coconut milk. Half a cup here of curry leaves. If you can get them, fabulous. A lot of you won't be able to find them, but maybe you can get them dried. Nothing will replace them. A teaspoon each. Always call this the big 4. So we've got a teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Half a cup of cilantro coriander, 6 green cardamom pods, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. And then here we've got some fresh chili. The amount is up to you. Let's get moving. So I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil in there, and the oil I'm using today is a coconut oil, but you can use a different oil if you want. I've just put the heat on. We're on an above medium heat. We're going to drop in the green cardamom pods and the fresh curry leaves and just let them do their thing in there for a few seconds. And then we're going to start by adding the pumpkin because it's kind of fairly chunky. We're going to get this going first for about 4 minutes. So just a little head start on that. Now we're going to go for that 1 cup of onion. Why I'm here and why I remember, let's get some salt in the mix. 3 more minutes on this vigorous heat. Okay, let's add our fresh chili. Let's add our tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's get our spices in. Let's just take one more look, shall we? 1 teaspoon each. Chili powder, which is Kashmiri chili powder, by the way, if you're interested. Cumin, coriander, and turmeric. And just for 10 seconds or so, we're just going to give this a little mix. Keep it moving very quickly now. If you burn your spices, they will taste really bitter and horrible, so keep this moving. And then we're going to add 1 cup of water. Stay on the high heat just for 2 more minutes. Again, give it a stir every now and then. That's just a couple of minutes there. Now 200 ml of the coconut milk. You could just use all coconut milk if you want, but I find it a little bit thick and too sweet actually. So, I mean, pumpkin itself is fairly sweet, so I like to mix it with water and the coconut milk. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat right down. So we've been on a vigorous heat all the way. We've gone to a nice simmer now. Just cook that out. For me, it's going to be 5-6 minutes. We just want that pumpkin to be nice and tender. So off goes the heat. You can see it's reduced down as it's been cooking. That is absolutely wonderful. Check it for salt. Let's get our cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in the mix. If you want a little bit of garam masala powder, but for me, that's simple, it's beautiful, it's delicious, it's delicate, it's lovely. I've run out of words. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.